Here, we can see very good welding quality. Okay, let's show you how it works. Before entering the system has some instructions for safe use and daily precautions of the laser welding. Okay. Click on Agree and we'll go in. Let's show you how it works. Directly choose stainless steel. Come on, you click to show everyone that we are now welding on stainless steel. Carbon steel, aluminium, and so on. Directly pick the parameter. Okay, let's show you stainless steel welding results. The thickness of the material have different options, 1 millimeter, 1 to 2 millimeters, and so on. We direct to choose one thickness to test it. Good. Then we also choose the welding options. Okay, now we show the welding effect. Now let's show you, first of all, there is a switch on the gun to enable the wire feeding, which means we can turn on and turn off the wire feeding functions easily. If we don't need it, we can turn it off. Now let's see. Let's see how is the welding. Welding a steel holder. Let's join it up first, and then we'll weld it. The seam is a bit wide. Come on, let's take a look at the welding effect. A little closer. It's very good. It's very good. You can see the welding results is perfect. The welding is strong as well.